No, it is new. That's what I was thinking. I'm like, because I changed it.
Yeah,
The first time I ever came out to you, I changed it.
Yeah, but that was, I think I stayed in Covington there about 2 years ago. But I do be jumping on the highway, like I be driving far. I don't ever drive like
You
local.
got the key.
Yeah.
So it was dying though.
Yeah.
It's dead right now?
Huh?
It's dead right now?
Yeah. I had took it to Advanced Auto this morning when I got off work. Put my engine light on, so it won't let my car do the remote starter.
Yeah.
For that other part I was telling you.
Yeah. Where Advanced Auto say this morning?
They said it was the starter, Advanced starter. But they autos on.
So is it the starter or the alternator?
The alternator.
Okay, I'm like, yeah, like you can confuse me.
Lord knows I want to pay no big ass price I'm on. And I just threw the battery in so the ones is quick.
That battery light was on the whole time too?
Yeah, it had came on. From that valve part, I had told you.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's definitely the alternator. But yeah, you did buy that. Where you buy that from? You remember where you bought it from?
From AutoZone, I had called them. They said it's a warranty.
I'm about to say, yeah, so you should have a warranty on it.
So I just had to take it out.
Yeah, take it up there.
Cause I'm like, this is new. I kept telling my like, that new. It's new. She's like, Aaron, that was 2 years ago. I'm like, oh yeah.
I mean, still pretty new.
Yeah, that's what she
said. That's pretty soon still for an alternator to go out.
But I do good. I be driving to Millersville to work. I be driving to Carrollton back and forth. I do be driving. You know, this car heavy.
Yeah. Well.
Okay. Oh yeah, you do it on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he said 49. So I'm probably just check and see if you can find out if it's like on that side where it's like a part.
Okay.
Yeah, just say you do that too right here. It's cold. You can run off fire start car stuff. I hate it.
I know it. Reach in here and take this belt tension off. Need a 3/4 drive. I mean a 1/2 drive, I'm tripping. Then you pull it up. Is it up or is it down? Let me see. It's definitely down. Oh, this is a tight one. Might need my breaker wire for this one. This is very tight. Oh yeah, yeah, that's a strong tension. Next time I'm using my breaker wire, I bolt my arm doing that. Alright, just move the belt out the way. I'm gonna take this connector off. out the way. Alright, I'm gonna disconnect this alternator. I think they 13s. Yep. Kind of weird angle. Yep. Okay, get this one out. Just turn it back in. Alright, I already did the bottom one off camera, but got it loose. The next I'm gonna do this last top one that's further to the right. They got a stud on there. It's a nut with a stud, so go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna use this. These are on here very tight. There we go. Alright. After this, we might just take the alternator bolt off. The power wire. Make sure you disconnect the battery already. Slide it off. Slide that off. And just kind of place it so you can easily get to the power wire bolt. I'm gonna use this squirrel to take it off. Right. Uh-oh. Somehow stuck. There we go. Let's see if I can slide it up through here. Well, what do I need to do? Definitely heavy. Alright, I guess I'll move these fuel lines.
And I know when I called the man, he was like, it's on the engine. I'm like, oh, so it's from serious.
What?
That valve part? That valve?
Oh, yeah.
So would that valve make the engine shake?
Kind of shaking.
Like stopping?
just like not as much power as it should have, like coming from the engine. I'm saying like engine might feel weak or something.
Hey, how's it going?
I think I need to remove this out the way too. I don't know why I feel like that engine, checking out that engine didn't give me that much room. Alright, just take your fuel line disconnector. I swear I didn't have to do this last time, but we'll do it this time. Take this connector off. I don't think this is fuel, and I hope it's not. Because if it is, okay, it's not. Now you should have a rag to do this. But I ain't putting one on here because I'm just not. Definitely may be hard to pull it out. There you go. Alright, move that out the way. There we go. There we go. Got the warranty for the alternator. Hopefully this one don't go out. No time soon. Oh. Alright, so cracking. Oh, it's just that plastic right there. Alright.
I got me a $40.
iPad because now they put up the tape. You do? I mean, you should have a subscription live where all your people can be on there too. Okay.
That'll be cool. Yeah. Yeah, it ain't gonna pass with that engine light on for sure, so.
And then two, I wanted to do because it's stopping my car from doing a remote start with that light on.
See if that light is on. No, it's not on. That check engine light came back on right away though.
That's not how I really go.
Let me see. Take that off. Yeah, seems to be good. No battery light no more. Yeah, so of course you know you gotta let it charge up too because the battery dead. So how far you gotta drive to work?
Like 45 minutes.
Oh, it'll be straight then by then.